Hello everyone, welcome back to your online classes, and today's topic is Great Explorers of the World, chapter 37, page number 53. So explorer means someone who travels to places about which very little is known in order to discover what is there. So let's begin. The world has seen many brave explorers fearlessly trotting the globe and discovering new places, water bodies, people, and animal species. Let us learn about some of these daring and adventurous beings whose names have gone down the history of mankind. So, let us read about the daring and adventurous beings whose names are given here. Okay, read the description given below and write the name of the adventurous explorer in the space provided alongside. So here you have to write the names of the explorer. Okay, number 1, he led the search for the Northwest Passage in 1903. He later became the first person to reach the South Pole and the first person to fly over the North Pole. So, we say he is Roald Amundsen. 2. He was a Portuguese explorer who is famous for the first circumnavigation of the earth, thus proving that it to be round. He has a strait named after him and became the first European to cross the Pacific Ocean. We see he is Ferdinand Magellan. 3. He was an Italian explorer and navigator who accidentally discovered the Americas in 1492. He is also popularly known as the discoverer of the New World. He is Christopher Columbus. 4. He was a Portuguese explorer who went down the history as the first European to reach India by sea by going around Africa. There is a crater named after him on the moon. He is Vasco da Gama. 5. He was a Venetian traveler and explorer who became famous for his groundbreaking journeys to Asia and China. He explored Asia and became the first European to meet Kublai Khan. He is Marco Polo. 6. He was a British navigator who is credited with the discovery of the Hawaiian Islands. He discovered a strait that lies between the north and south islands of New Zealand, which was later named after him. So, who is he? He is James Cook. Chapter 38, topic is World's famous airports. So, these are the world's famous airports. Match the following airports with their countries. Okay, which airport belongs to which country? You have to match the airports with their countries. Airport, these are the names of the world's famous airport, and these are the names of the countries. Number 1, Beijing Capital International Airport. This is in Beijing, China. 2, Incheon International Airport. So this is in Seoul, South Korea. 3, Changi International Airport. This is in Singapore City, Singapore. 4, Cairo International Airport. That is in Cairo, Egypt. 5, John F. Kennedy International Airport. That is in New York City, USA. 6, Madrid Barajas International Airport. That is in Madrid, Spain. 7, Charles de Gaulle International Airport. That is in Paris, France. 8, Denver International Airport. That is in Denver, United States. 9, Indira Gandhi International Airport. That is in New Delhi, India. 10, King Fahd International Airport. That is in Dammam city of Saudi Arabia. Fact: Beijing Capital International Airport is the largest or busiest airport in Asia. So, this Beijing Capital International Airport is the largest as well as busiest airport in Asia. And Indira Gandhi International Airport this is the largest airport in India, which is in Delhi. Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport in Georgia, USA, in the world's busiest airport. So, among the world, which is the busiest airport? Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, which is in Georgia, USA. This is the busiest airport in the world. Chapter 39. Heritage Sites of the World. Any place holding special cultural or physical significance is listed as a World Heritage Site by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO. Identify and write the name of such sites with the help of clues given below. So we have to identify the names of the sites which has special cultural or physical significance. Okay. Number 1. It is the world's largest coral reef system on the northeast coast of Australia. So, this is the picture of the Great Barrier Reef. 2. It is one of the most sacred places in Christendom. It is the world's smallest country. So, this is the most holy place in Christendom, and in the world this Christendom is the smallest country. So, this is the picture of Vatican City. 3. It is situated in Cambodia and is the largest religious monument in the world. So, this is Angkor Wat. 4. It is the largest waterfall in the world. It is located in southern Africa on the Zambezi River. So, this is Victoria Falls. 5. It is the world's oldest and deepest freshwater lake situated in southern Siberia. So, this is Lake Baikal. 6. It is the best known prehistoric monument situated in England. It symbolizes mystery, power and endurance. So, answer is Stonehenge. 7. It contains the world's largest mangrove forest and the only one that is inhabited by the tiger. It is located between India and Bangladesh. So, that is Sundarbans. Chapter 40, topic is famous dancers. So, these are the names of the famous dancers. Okay. Dance is a unique art form of expression. Some calls it a communication between body and soul, and this dance is a unique art form of expression. Okay. This is the unique art form of expression. Some calls it a communication between body and some people they call this dance as a communication between body and soul. Many exceptional dancers have graced the dance floors over the years. Given below are the images of few popular dancers. So these are the images of few popular dancers, famous dancers. Identify them and write their names in the space provided. So you have to identify their names, and in this given space you have to write their names. So number 1 is Birju Maharaj, and number 2 is Shakira. Number 3 Michael Jackson. Number 4 Prabhudeva. Number 5 Sudha Chandran, and 6 Sonal Mansingh. This Sudha Chandran became an established Bharatnatyam dancer despite losing a leg to gangrene following a road accident. Sudha Chandran, though she met with an accident to gangrene and she has lost his leg, and still she is an established Bharatnatyam dancer.